Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be working on the white truck yet again. So what we're about to do right now, I just finished up one of the other videos. What we're about to do is we're going to hop in the blue truck, go to Conway, and see if Lowe's has any 1-inch flat stock for our step brackets. So I guess we'll run up here, head to Conway, and we'll see if we can find anything. Okay, guys, so it is a couple days later, but we did find some flat metal at Lowe's. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we have these 7-inch pieces cut. If y'all remember from the last video, these won't work because if you set them on here, they run into our bolts. So we got this 1-inch flat stock, and what we're going to do, cut it at the same 7 inches, and we're going to use this flat stock for our brackets instead of angle, and then we'll cut some pieces and gusset them on the sides. Should be plenty strong, but it's a little late in the day, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Get 2 of these cut at 7 inches, get them tacked, and test fit them. Make sure everything's good first, and then if they're good, we will pull these off of the steps, finish weld them, add our gussets, and we'll be good to go. Okay, guys, so just got done welding. I got the front bracket on the driver's side. Y'all know it was just tacked. Got it finished welded, and then I got these welded up as well. So we just stuck them in water to finish cooling them off. We let them kind of air dry or air cool, but not the best, but not terrible. The ones, funny enough, the ones over here were my better welds. But if you see, also we went ahead, notched this down. That way, when we stick it on our step here, it'll be a little bit less noticeable there. So I'm gonna go ahead, what we're gonna do is we're going to pre-drill these and then stick them up under the truck, and then we'll go ahead and drill into our brackets these brackets that are mounted to the truck, and we can get those bolted up. You know, you can kind of adjust it a little bit on the bolt holes themselves. And also, if you're wondering about the welds from over there, I do have a picture that I'll throw up here on the screen. Not too bad, like I said, but today's the first time that I have ever welded anything with that welder, because today I'm actually wearing shoes. So trying to get used to it. Haven't really MIG welded since high school, about 4 or 5 years ago, something like that. So trying to get back kind of into the swing of things, but I will put that picture up right here from that bracket over there. Okay, guys, so my grandpa got the step mounted over here, and just wanted to note a few things. So you can see it is nice and straight, and what I wanted to do was line the top of the Ford emblem up with this kind of radius here on the bottom of the door. So it does give you plenty, it's keys on because it's in neutral. Roll it back for a picture, but you can see it gives you plenty of a step. Now here is our issue. So my grandpa took a picture on my phone, and I'll put that here on the screen. But that is our bottom holes up here on this bracket, so you can move this step quite a bit. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to make a little extension bracket to come out and meet the step itself. But as you can see here, we got a nice about 2-inch gap. So looks really good. Pretty happy with it. Now we are going to have to make the other side, but I thought I would show y'all kind of the finished product here. And get back, see if we can get the whole truck for a thumbnail. But that's where we're at. So we don't have time tonight, as you can see. So I am gonna have to leave here in a minute. Let's move this thing back forward. But we gotta go look for some stuff up at the storage facility. And the reason I'm moving this up right now is so we can get the lawnmower and stuff back in. So I think that'll be good there. But I wanted to know, I wanted y'all to let me know, what do y'all think about our steps here? I think that's park, maybe not. There we are. But like I said, let me know down below, what do y'all think about our fitment? Oh, and also, if you know, let me know, why is it when I pull the key out of the ignition, it still dings? I'd like to know that. But I'm gonna leave this thing here in the shop. Like I said, gotta get the mower back in and whatnot. But figured I'd give y'all a couple shots of how the steps sit before we head out. That's probably going to be the end of today's video. Sorry, it was a short one. Didn't get a whole lot of time today. Tomorrow, I gotta go do some stuff. Man, that air feels good. But tomorrow I gotta go do some stuff. So I figured we would just end the video out here because, like I said, we're about to head out. So anyway, guys. Like I was saying, that is going to be a wrap for this video. So just kind of recap, we did get everything on the driver's side mounted. We got to build extension bracket, and we got to get some spacers for the back to get that mounted on the lower lip, and then we should be good to go. But anyway, guys, that's going to be a wrap, like I said, for this video. If you guys enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please leave a like and comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope everybody has a great day.